Bailey, get the webcam. It fell from all the hype. Yeah, me and fucking Ben go turning up over here, dude. That's what I said. Damn. Later.
Mariana. Alright, babe, come commentate. You can
Like we got BallSnatcher and Pie up right now. So yeah, it goes.
Scorpion. Cage Mansion.
If you ever try to flood Sundo,
By Argus, that will never happen.
How you feel about Pie's character?
I mean Pie. He's not in the lab, but also that means he's not in the lab playing with us, so we don't really know a lot of Lee May.
Fight.
It can get a little tricky. Got some a lot of off or full screen pressure, or lanterns and projectiles, and also that flying knee comes out of nowhere sometimes. That shit right there. That shit comes out and hits you when you least expect it. Alright, Pie, looks like we're doing a button check here.
Button.
Round one. Fight.
The thing
Alright,
about
here we go. Looks like
BallSnatcher,
we're in. Let's go.
he likes to be
Game one.
aggressive. He usually jumps in.
There we go. That's what I'm
Ooh,
talking
nice
about. That
opening.
knee. It's fast. Pie just needs to get a combo off that. Go. Nice overhead. Oh, I thought that was going to go into the lantern, but it didn't.
Overhead again.
Punish
Ooh,
after
the nice block. Oh,
Alright, nice
BallSnatcher
grab
with
to
the
break
grab.
up the pressure. And here comes Mix Up City, maybe. Yep, called the jump out. And
Ooh.
two, is it connecting? Connects.
here's Janet.
damn Pie's smashing his buttons. You can see him on the cam.
Here we go. Ooh, no punish. But get this little poke,
Oh,
overhead,
overhead
and this
thing.
should be the round. I think Pie's over here figuring stuff out.
Two.
Got this.
Fight.
Overhead. Okay, combo.
Here we go. Nice wake up. Off me. Head. But you gotta watch out for that wake up. Ball grab, pushing. Oh, almost got something off of that. Pie's been cooking. Alright, first round going to E.
Finish her.
Let's go, Pie!
Rain wins.
Dr. Pie.
Round one.
Alright, just going back into the match number 2. Nice.
Ooh.
And it wasn't a full combo, but damage is damage.
There,
And here comes the full combo.
showing him a real damage.
Damn, 45 damage. See that get up, that wake up option is good, especially when they're cross screen like that. Against someone who wants to do projectiles across screen, to close the distance quick. It just don't matter. E is all over him. BallSnatcher snatching him. No whiff punish. Oh, projectile coming in.
Smash to black.
Calm, only
Round
storm.
two. Fight.
My magic is
Got him in the corner. Nice uppercut. The slow bounce BallSnatcher down. Ooh, that was a weird interaction right there. Too crazy coming off of it. Jumping into the lantern, into the knee. Pretty good conversion. It's not a full combo, but damage is damage. Oh my, just
Oh.
lantern in her face and just gets grabbed for it. Alright, you trying to set up some portal shenanigans here, but it works out. Fire need to do something. Not that
No,
though.
not
That is
that.
very punishable. Just like that. BallSnatcher moves on to round 3.
BallSnatcher.